Okay, year 11, I'm coming back to this question because I know there's an easier way to do it. So I sat down and I nutted it out. So if you remember, we did it this way by substituting in the 3 points, getting a C, getting equations, finding the A, and then subbing them in and getting the final equation, which was, well, I've lost it now. Oh, here it is. No, it's not. Oh, yeah, there it is. So that's the equation. What I want to do is look at it from a different perspective. So let's go back to what this is all about. And it's graphing or finding the equation of the quadratic. And there are several ways to do it. So that other method was really time consuming. But let's look at it from the point of view of what this thing is. As I said, this is my vertex. All right? And my vertex is the axis of symmetry. So x equals 0 there. The x value is 0. So 0 equals minus b on 2a. Therefore, b equals 0. Now, once we know that, and we know the y-intercept, remember, in the equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, that c is the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept here is 8. So straight away, we know our equation. By the way, all that work we did before, we know our equation is, well, b 0. So y equals ax squared. That's going to go because it's 0. And c is equal to 8. Now we only have to sub in one of these 2 points here. And remember, that's 7.5 and 0. And this one is negative 7.5 and 0 over here. So let's sub in this point into here. 0 equals 7.5 squared times a plus 8. And I'll remember this is negative a, sorry. I'm going to just write that again here. Negative a times 7.5 squared. Now, let's minus that 8. So negative 8 equals negative a. 7.5 squared, so 7.5 squared, 56.25, 56 and a quarter. Divide by, and that negative can go with the 56 now, if you want. So negative 56 and a quarter a. Divide by negative 56 and a quarter, so 8, negative 8, divided by 56.2, negative 56.25, negative 56.25. Oh, 32 on 225 equals A. All right. Okay. We've got A, we've got B, we've got C. So Y equals 32 on 225 x squared plus 8. Let's multiply everything by the 225. 225, oh, by the way, that's negative. Negative 32 x squared plus 1800, which is the answer. So by using our understanding of the axis of symmetry and substituting in 7.5, the roots being even, we came to the answer much quicker, in a much quicker form.